Ndewo. Ahambi Makuo. We're carrying on with the 100 most common Igbo phrases, okay? And dalo for everybody that has contributed. Dalo again, Chidema, Dalo Ganswood, and every other person that's commenting. Dalo Rine. Please keep commenting because this is just the second 10, so 11 to 20. We still need 80 more. Oh, Nwayo, can you video? Lay hand down the guitar, okay? Wherever your mail says so, yeah, okay? Right. Nwayo. Nwayo. That means take it easy. So like when your children are playing and they're playing rough and you want them to slow down, take it easy. Or maybe somebody's speaking so fast, you say Nwayo, okay? Maybe somebody's speaking Igbo to you and you want them to slow down so you can understand. Nwayo. Oh? Putting the O there is like saying please. Nwayo. Oh? Me osiso. Okay? Hurry up. Me osiso. Hurry. Me osiso. Okay? Leia. See it. Or there it is. Okay? Maybe you're looking for something and your sister is helping you and then she says, Leia. It's there. Or there it is. Or see it. Leia. Okay? Maybe you said Keba Bamdi. I say Leia. Okay? Norala. Or Noroche. Sit down. Have a seat. Norala. Noroche. Norala. Noroche. Okay? Have a seat or sit down. Enola? Bia rienri. Come and eat. Bia rienri. Food is ready. Okay? Bia rienri. Come and eat. Gente. Some people will say ngante is the same thing. Gente. Listen. Ngante. Listen. Gente. Biko, please listen. Makuo means hug, and that's a verb. So you're giving somebody an instruction to hug you. Makuo, like when you come to your son or your daughter and you say, little son and daughter, Makuo, okay? Like I do with my little children. Sometimes I say hug. So that's Makuo. Okay? And one of my friends in school, her name is Makuo Chuku, which means hug the Lord. Okay? It's a very beautiful name. Makuo Chuku or Makuo Chuku. So Makuo hug me, okay? Nwayo kwa. Ewo. Nwayo kwa. So maybe somebody's about to fall. You're like, easy, okay? Again, maybe the children are playing, or maybe even an adult or something. Just, Nwayo kwa. Maybe the ground is slippery. You just, oh, please, easy. Nwayo kwa. All right. Hapu maka, leave me alone. Hapu aka, leave me. Hapu aka, leave me alone. And I engage in kamecha. We'll end with this one. I engage in kamecha. Bata nolo. Come into the house. Bata nolo. Come in. Okay? Again, the kids have been playing outside and it's time to come in. Bata nolo. Come into the house. Bata. Oh. Ngwana. Do you want more like this? You know what to do. Sign up below and you can download the Common Igbo Phrases PDF and learn on your own. Okay? Right? And remember to comment with whatever phrases you want me to do next. Oh, ngwana kodi na Igbo.